Welcome back. This is the second lecture of learning and understanding Adobe Illustrator. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the workspace area of Adobe Illustrator. This is very easy to understand how they place everything based on the usage of those tools. On the left hand side, you can see the tool menu where you can see selection tools, magic wand tools, pen tools, pencil tools, eraser tool, gradient and eye picker, and every tool that you use. There are sub-menus in the tools, like a shape tool. It contains rectangle, square, circle and everything. A pencil tool contains smooth tool, path eraser tool and such tools. On the top you can see the menu from where you can just make a new document, open recent documents or any Adobe Illustrator file. You can open it from here. You can save and place and export things from here. In the edit menu you can do some editing after you have done some graphic design. Object menu, you can perform some actions on an object in the Adobe Illustrator, and many other tools on the top. Effect menu, where you can apply effects and many more things. In the Windows menu you can just enable or disable these tools that you see on the left, on the right, on the top. You can just enable by clicking on it or disable by clicking on it. Under that you can see the color palette and the stroke palette and the width and height, those preferences. You can save your workspace when you think you have done some editing on the workspace, like you have just what you just want to do, take this tool menu over here, and the artboard, the white area is called the artboard, where you can perform the functions in the graphic design. You can just move around things whatever you like, and you can save it from here. These are the tools, the effects and the properties you can apply to many objects. These are a little more deeper than the ones on the left. This is the layer menu. Everything in Adobe Illustrator is layered automatically. So this is the most important thing to me. I don't know whoever uses as on preference or not, but I use these layers very often. These are other things that you can just check around, and we will discuss all of these later in the lectures. You can just go and open a new artboard from here, and you can name this lecture 2. From profile you can select for printing purpose, web purpose, devices, video and film. I don't use this much often. I just put some of my own attributes over here, that how width I want and how much height I want. So I just make 1000 by 1000 every time, and at the end of the whole design I just make changes to the artboard, and you can do that at the end as well. You can make bleeds that are used in printing purpose. How much bleed do you want? You can press OK, and this is a new artboard, and this is a new file. This is the old one. You can just select multiple files and open multiple files in Adobe Illustrator. When you see on the left side, I have no layer over here. This is the first thing that you see is the artboard. When I do something in it, like printing some hello world, and I can see a layer under this artboard. If I undo, you can't see anything. You can't see the play button. But when I type the hello world, you can see one layer over here. If I make a shape, you will see another layer over here. Everything I do is recorded in separate layers. So this is very handy and very useful when you're making a design. I hope this is good for now. I will discuss these tools later on. I want to make short videos now. I don't want to go very long. So I hope this has been informative for you. Thank you for watching, and leave feedback or ask any question you want. That would be great. Thank you very much. Bye bye.